This tutorial will teach you how to add extra rope when you are tying double half hitch knots. Let's get started. I will add a new working cord to my wall hanging. Grab your new piece of rope and place it behind your filler cord. Take the end of the cord and put it up and over your dowel. We will tuck this end into the back of your work later. Tie one double half hitch knot with your new working cord. Finish off your row of double half hitch knots. I'll tie 4 more knots. Flip your work over so that we can tuck in the ends at the back. Tuck the ends into the loops at the back and then cut the remaining rope so that you do not see it from the front. Here's what it will look like from the front once the ends are cut. Thanks for watching. Please check out the description as I have listed a few extra tips for you there. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials.